Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about a topic that's very important for all you young hustlers out there, the art of negotiation. Whether you're negotiating your first salary, haggling for a good deal, or discussing chores with your parents, mastering negotiation is essential to get what you want. First, let's talk about preparation. Before entering a negotiation, you need to do your homework. Know what you want, know what the other party wants, and find a middle ground. For example, if you're negotiating your salary, research industry standards, understand your worth, and be ready to back it up with solid evidence. Preparation isn't just about knowing the facts, it's about building confidence. Now, let's move on to communication. Effective negotiation is about how you communicate. Listen more, talk less. Yes, you heard that right. Listening shows respect and helps you understand the other person's perspective. It also gives you clues on how to frame your arguments. Use clear, concise language and stay calm. No one likes a hothead in negotiations. Next, let's discuss the power of silence. Sometimes saying nothing is the best thing you can do. After making your point, pause and let the other person process it. Silence can be a powerful tool to make the other party reconsider their stance and offer a better deal. It shows that you are serious and confident. Another crucial element is flexibility. Be ready to compromise. Negotiation is a two-way street. If you're rigid, you might lose opportunities. Instead, focus on finding a win-win solution. For example, if you're negotiating project deadlines, be open to adjusting dates if it means getting additional resources. Lastly, always aim to leave a good impression. You never know when you might have to negotiate with the same person again. Maintain professionalism, be polite, and express gratitude no matter the outcome. A positive impression can open doors for future negotiations and collaborations. So there you have it. Master these tips, and you'll be on your way to becoming a negotiation ninja. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you negotiate, the better you'll become. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. Drop your negotiation stories in the comments. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome. Catch you later. Smart Bites. Quick learning for a better you.